Here's the story of how I made the thing. So essentially I got this and I made it better to print. So what I did is I replaced a lot of the gray spots with white boxes so that way I could save ink. And to get it to the right size, I looked up the format for letter and just downloaded the picture, and then I zoomed in on it so it would fill out and use as much space as possible on the paper. And here's kind of what I cut out right here. So I just, cut it out, taped it together because the glue did not work. It messed it up, and yeah. And then apparently it lined up perfectly in size with this, which was all part of the master plan, and now we have this. So yeah, let's get to the video. Okay guys, so I'm finally done, and I made the Prius. One thing I learned is don't use super glue because apparently it does that and it runs really quickly, but it looks pretty funny and happy, and it's got this little thing going at the top where it wasn't on there, but I did use this tape. It ended up working the best. But yeah, let's go on a test drive, guys, in the new Prius. Yep, and here we go. It's got these little locks on here, and you can pull them out, right? And then they go up, and you can store it in the bag with only having to take off the handle, which you barely have to take off that, but yeah. Anyway, so you just kind of take it out. Make sure these are tight, because one time my tripod almost fell apart completely because they were not tight. They were like fully extended, all three of them, which would not have gone well. And the camera's not very cheap, so I don't want to lose it. Ollie the Prius looks so funny. It's got that 8-wheel drive, bro. Totally, because it totally had 4-wheel drive in the first place. Yep. Very cool. So you adjust lock there, and then you can move it wherever you want. Well, no, it just stops there. Alright, so that's where you're supposed to put it, stationary. But if you just keep it out the whole time, then you can pull it up. But anyway, tripod is set up, so let's start. Okay guys, we're going in the kitchen because we got the Slick 4. So we got the Direct Prius, just like the 2JGD Direct Prius video right here. Show it on screen. Yeah, okay. It's working, guys. So, tripod set up. Make sure that's tight. Okay. As you can see, the Prius is down there. And I finally put the back on the controller because before I just had it like this. Don't know why I didn't put the back on. Guess I was just lazy or something, but we got this cool little so I can helicopter it, Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Zooming in. Ooh. Crazy. Okay, so now that we got that, zoom out the Skywatch camera. Ooh, so cool. Okay, so what's the Prius guy? So the setup I have for traction is I got duct tape in the front and nothing in the back. Just one layer of duct tape because 2 is too much grip. So now we got basic slide. And for a $20 Walmart thing, it's not bad. Let me zoom in a little bit. It might be running out of battery or range. I'm honestly not sure. But it does work. So that's a really good feature. And it only works on slick floors, so. Oh, look at that. That was sideways there. Got that throttle blip. There we go. It looks happy. It looks like this is what it was meant for, obviously. I mean, that drifting's not too bad, right? Whoa, I didn't know you could, like, take the corner out of there. I usually just stuff it, like, in there. You know what I'm saying? I think it's working a little better now. Hey, look at that reverse drift. Oh. It got stuck on an insignificant crack, so that's crazy. Oh, wait, I can't see that. It was doing pretty cool. Do some motion tracking here. Ooh. Wait, I can't see that either. I need to, like, yeah, there we go. Yeah, it looks like this is what its intended purpose was all along. This is what the Toyota Prius was made for. Okay, I guess there's just no grip, and they just handled that. But it's fun to do that. I still have all the tires if I do want to put them back on. But, you know, this is fun. This is more fun. So, yeah. Toyota Prius Drift. I'm gonna try to do like a line here real quick. Okay. Ooh. I gotta make it fishtail. I gotta do that snap overspeed. I'm not snap overspeed. I gotta do the controlled overspeed, guys. Let me change the camera. Okay. Okay, there we go. I had to restart the recording for that, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. This was fun. So this was the little RC Prius that I did, right? So here's what it was right here. I'll try to make a thumbnail out of it, I guess. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully it gets out, unlike my other ones. Yeah. See ya. There we go. Wow, you're still here? You should totally subscribe. Do it, please. I worked quite hard on this.